Hi guys, I'm outside, but there is nobody around me. So I'm being safe, but I have my mask if I need it. Thank you for joining us today, Saturday. It is actually very nice outside. The weather is pretty good. Mother Nature's been favorable to us because of the sun, as you can see on the reflection on my face. Been wearing this for about an hour as I've been inside. The title of this Facebook Live post, why Irpino? Why? Why choose a family brokerage, boutique? Well, as I declined that phone call, we've been around for over 20 years and we employ the right marketing to get the job done right away. Aerial and drone photography, high definition interior, exterior photos, Matterport 360-degree tour, social media and online marketing unparalleled in the Chicagoland area. So when you're ready to sell, call us, because this is what our open house looks like today. That's why IRPINO Real Estate. Thank you for joining us. Have a great weekend.